Hi, it's Immobiliser Fit. What we've installed today is the Starline Solaris pager alarm system, which is an alarm system that includes tilt, motion and shock sensors, a front occupancy sensor if someone was to climb in through an open window or smash the window and climb in, as well as immobilisation, horn, honk and obviously pager alerts. The pager is telling us that it's triggering from the additional sensor. So what we'll show you now is if someone tried to obviously pick the lock on this vehicle, on any door, see the alarm goes off. We're also getting alerts from the pager, and now we've got the horn triggering. So we'll just disarm this, lock the van up, and obviously this pager gives you a range of between 100 and 300 metres. It's also telling us that the rear doors have been opened. He tried to attack this vehicle with a cloned key, obviously got in, unlocked it, and tried to start the vehicle up. See, it doesn't start. So we have to go through what's called authorization. This is done through either pairing up the customer's phone or by going through a push sequence. So we've kept it simple on this for the push sequence for the video, and we've set 1, 2, 3. Receive a double flash from the light, and then the vehicle will start. Okay. So if the customer wants to take this for a service, the process is disarm the system, turn the ignition on and pop in your disarm code and get your double flash. Now we'll open the door up and just press the service button. As you see, we get several chirps, and we also get an update on the pager to confirm it's in service mode. As you can see, vehicle's in service mode, and the door was open. So arm, disarm, we get no chirps, system's not active, the vehicle will start without a code. Obviously the alarm's switched off, and the immobiliser as well. When they get it back from service and they want it protected again and want to turn the alarm on, all you do, ignition on, open up the door and press the service button. Get several chirps, the pager updates to confirm it's out of service mode, and now we'll get the chirps and the system will arm and disarm.